Hey folks, I'm Matthew Brown with Created Photography. I'm here to help you with your content creation for 2026. So let's say that you're an electrical contractor, or you do decks, or you do maybe you do pavers like out here, or maybe you're a lawn service and you do lawn service for people. Well, you need to have content that you can put online onto your social media pages to help people to notice you, to start following you, preferring you, sending send me a DM, send me a message, or in my contact information down below. You can reach me. It's Matthew Brown with Created Photography. Help you get your business online and being seen in the new year. You can also reach me or text me at 804 370 1240. Matthew Brown.